What's up? Be sure and like and subscribe. It's Monday morning. Oh, look at there, boys. We got a subscriber one coming too. Little subscriber of the month action. I'm gonna let Blake tell you who it is here in a minute. I appreciate you guys subscribing. So got some work to do. Gonna get some stuff done. Get this big red video cracking today and tear it down.
Hey, this goes out to Kevin LePage, man. You're a team player, dog. We're sending you one of these. Not a baby gap one like this. This one's for me.
Yours already in the mail.
Yeah, this was custom ordered to fit me. It's complicated. Yours is in the mail. You're the best, dude. I mean, just always sharing. We need 100 more people like you. We need 1,000 more people like you from everywhere.
Yeah, everybody. Buddy.
We don't need all these haters. We need these. We need this love, dog. Oral.
Rips.
This is for oral use.
Gotcha.
So I'm gonna save a shot maybe for the bikes, but most of this is being injected into me. Give me nitrous to hit some jumps.
There's a couple projects we're gonna get after now, boys. Starting with this big red. So there's a big red turd right there. Fender's off. I'm gonna take the front fender off, the front twisted rack off. I can probably straighten that. I mean, I think this rack will buff out. That shit'll buff out. Probably end up taking the headlight guard off because all that we're gonna sandblast and paint, and I'm gonna replace the front rack actually. Pull this air box and the carburetor. Then I'm gonna plug the engine and I'm gonna degrime this whole sucker. I go through the carburetor with the ultrasonic cleaner. We're gonna get some tires on it so I can roll it around a little easier. I have plans to lift this thing, but before I go to fabricating, I want to make sure this engine's sound. So I'm going to fire it up and ride it around, and I have another set of tires somewhere, I'm sure. Got another GoPro the other day, 7, so we'll see how the video looks through it, and maybe you guys will get more that way. So maybe sand that down real good and put a real JB weld on it. I thought the air filter looked really good until I pinched it. Sometimes you got to pinch yourself, so I looked and I was like, oh, daggone, let me get me a nice little chaw out of there. Got the air box out and the snorkel off and the air filter out. And now I'm about to pull this carb out. Sometimes before I pop her in the ultrasonic cleaner, I take the pressure washer to her. If you don't know how these come out, it's pretty simple shit. Slide this up. This comes right out the notch. And you just unscrew it. Don't be afraid to do this, boys. See that? So guys, while I had the carb cleaning, I managed to do a few things. Check it out. I went and found some 4on100 tires that look like they come off of a Polaris at one time. And I punched them out, so I got a set of back wheels to roll this thing. Then I found 3 of these. Then I'm gonna put this on the front. It's holding 5 PSI, so hopefully she'll be good. Already found the hole and patched it. I'm gonna have to sand all that off later on, but just so I can ride it today, I'm gonna fill in those little holes right there just to slow down a leak. My favorite kind of JB weld is this stuff right here. Get this crap all a good color. You know what? Now I see a little bit of a hole right there. Gloop it up, gloop it full like that. Let's see. So I have it on super bitch mode right now, and I'm gonna tighten it up with He-Man. It's a nice little careful He-Mans. There's probably a real specific torque setting for these guys, so you don't want to go further than that. They're just little bitty nuts. Yeah, buddy.
I looked at my cousin. I told him, because my cousin knows him too. I said, that motherfucker's gonna shit a brick one day when he fucking lays into it, and that one motor must goes away.
You can see the float's barely starting to drip. Maybe we give her a little schwack. Be going out in the parks and wildlife and shit. I might have did it, boys. I like kicking these forward. Really, as soon as we go to begin, try a second kick here. motor sounds pretty good. Well guys, I'm feeling more comfortable about lifting it now. Got this valve cover cleaned up. Got the carb cleaned. It's sparkly clean. Ain't dripping nothing no more. I'm cool with that, boys. Eventually we'll work our way up to the Honda seat cover, but for the meantime I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how to fix this. First I'm going to measure this, put it in the dryer. Not too bad, right guys? That's rideable. So we're going to see if that tank's good enough to do the same. This is day one working on it. I punched out some Polaris wheels, I think, or punched out some smaller wheels, made them fit. Cleaned the carb, found this front tire and wheel, swapped it on. This petcock leaks bad, but the tank don't. So, covered the seat, cleaned the carburetor, cleaned the tank out a little bit. I'm gonna ride it around a little bit for the video and then swap all the fluids. And I got the front rack off and a bunch of stuff I'm doing right now. So, I'm gonna send it for a minute. Third gear's torquey now. Third gear's got a little something extra on it. It's probably a mosquito heaven, but where the hell is she gonna go with the big red besides into the water? There's nowhere else to go. Oh, see, that's how they lose them right there. That's how they lose them. I'm gonna go put that up at the house. Should be okay in this. I don't have the air box sealed off, but it's all fine, just fine. Good thing she got reversed. Shelly rock. These are for soft bottoms, guys. Oh, she popping. Starving for gas? No, it's got some. I think we got our footage. I mean, there's something big up there, boys. A turd. It's a freaking turd. Let off the gas, go up one. What? Go up one. There you go. That'll be smoother. Easy now. There's plenty of power right there.